I am now in a dilemma of dilemmas. I have no idea what to do. The Elder Gods never sent a tutorial on too much power because now I think I've hacked myself. I've grown too powerful. I'm not a gooner, but I went to the bathroom just to use the bathroom. Bro, I was sitting on the toilet and just scrolling. And on my other phone, I have a background image that's just it's I put it there for like just mental, just to get in the zone and to just always stay focused, but it's just too it's I've hacked my own system. And I'm not joking. I'm not happy about this. This is not like a funny this is like all right. I'm not insane. I'm not crazy. I'm actually too smart. That's Togi tried to warn me, and that's when I was actually making that mistake of being too smart and not like applying myself to like the bum scum life that I've now adopted. And it makes so much sense. But this does not make sense. Bro, I was sitting on the toilet and then I looked at my background image, bro. And my body, my mind, every frame said there is no time. And then I went to my computer and sat here. It's not a problem. It's it's not, but it's alarming. Like I should just find a wife. Yes, I already know this. But like to expedite, not even expedite, to just put any effort towards that, it's just meaningless. Obviously, I have way bigger problems to face. You think that was it? So is the dog too powerful? Like, what's going on, bro? I don't know. I can't tell you, bro. I don't. It's like I'm starting to realize exactly how much power I possess within myself. And with, like, I made a video on that too. But do I feel any more powerful, any more divine, any more. No, just focused. But I would have been the same focus just like within 30 minutes. I guess I saved 30 minutes. I'm having a hard time processing the things that are going on right now. Mind you, all I've done was just maxing my life. And now it's changing. But with like, it's almost like AI.